Hey everyone, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to make repairs at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman, or in this case, an expensive electrician. Because in this episode, we'll be installing this low-profile Flushmount LED light fixture. Now, I know a lot of people get nervous around electricity, and that's fine, I get it, but I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? But if at any time you just feel unsure, it's fine, call a professional. But I'm gonna teach you how to do this safely and to do it the right way, okay? All right. Before we get started, remind you to watch to the end of the video and you'll see how much money you're going to save by doing this yourself instead of calling an electrician. Okay? All right, let's get to work. In the box, you will find your LED light fixture. You'll find this little bag that has some wire nuts and some mounting screws in it. You'll also find this little metal mounting bracket. It's got your ground screw in it. It's also important because this is how you're going to actually secure your light fixture to the ceiling. You're also going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, some electrical tape, and some needle nose pliers, and you might want to get some that have a wire snip on them. I said I'm going to teach you how to do this safely, and anytime you're working with electricity, you always want to kill the power. So we're going to do that now. Okay, we're going to install this mounting bracket first. Obviously, you want the green screw to face outward so you can hook that ground wire to it. This is just going to hook into your existing electrical box. And look, these things are electrical code. You got to have them. So if you don't have one, well, and you get one. It's got this ring here, so we're going to drop the wires right through that ring to make it easier to install later. This comes with two different screws, a long one and a short one. We're going to use these long ones to mount this bracket. I'm gonna screw it to either side, and y'all don't want to watch me do that because it's going to be boring. All right, we're going to finish tightening up these screws. There, that's perfect. Okay, now we're going to get our light fixture. We're going to hook it to the ground wire. Hook the ground wire up first. Then we'll hook, obviously, our black to black and our white to white. Okay, so we have the light fixture here. To get the light shield off, we're just going to turn the whole thing counterclockwise. Turn that back counterclockwise and it comes right off. As you can see, our wires are neatly put together on the back. We're going to untie that. And like I said, we're going to do this green ground wire first. Now, if they've got these pre-cut, if you need more wire cut off, just use your wire snips or a pocket knife or something and pull that off of there. We're going to curl this around the little green screw. Take our Phillips head screwdriver and tighten it all the way. I forgot. Tighten these wires, wrap them up first. Then loop it around that green screw. So much better. See, trial and error, you know. Sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. We're going to take these old wire nuts off and this tape off. And I think I'll do a little movie magic for that. Hang on. Okay. White wire. Bzzz, just kidding. White wire to white wire. Take our wire nut and secure those two on there. Take the black wire. Again, you might want to tighten these up, twirl them together. Black wire to black wire, and tighten that wire nut on there. And I like to go ahead and get a little electrical tape and just kind of secure what I was doing. Just makes me feel better. I just like to, I sleep better at night knowing that that's got some electrical tape on it. All right, there's one side, let's do the other side. Helps hold those wires in place too, anyway. All right, now that everything's done, we're gonna cram all of these wires back through this circle. And don't be rough with it. And you can bend them as you need. There we go. And then we'll put all the other wires up in there as well. And that just leaves our mounting screws. We're going to take these. They're going to go in these outer circles. Don't screw them in all the way yet. Just get them started so they're good enough. All right. Guide your wires through the ring. And then you're going to guide those little screws, twist it in place, and then tighten it. Tighten this side, and it's just got, you'll see, it's got little holes, and you give it a little clockwise twist to get it securely mounted, which it now is. Now all we have to do is put the shield back on, and you'll see there's 3 little stems here. They're going to match up with these little divots in the shield, screen, shield, whatever you want to call it. Give it a little clockwise turn, not too hard, you don't want to break anything. That looks good. All right, before we see if it works, let's see how much money we saved. The average cost to have an electrician come to your house and install a light fixture is $150. It can be up to $200. The cost for me was just what I paid for the light fixture, $25. So in doing this myself, I saved $125 on average. That's why we do this, right? Saving money and doing it the right way. And now you've got a skill and you know how to do it, and you can do it again in the future if you need to. All right, let's go see if it works. All right, we have the power turned back on. Let's see if this thing works. 3, 2, 1. Looks like another job well done. Thank you to everybody for watching the video, and if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks to everybody who has already subscribed. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.